right, so first of all, what we want to do is we want to make sure that our data is structured in rows and columns like this. I have two columns in here, customer and sales, or you can use this other method in which all your data is displayed in rows instead of columns. Either way will work. I'm going to show you how. Let's start with this one first. So I want to select all my data from customer to the last data point. I'm going to go to the menu insert. Okay. Then I'm going to click on the section charts, recommended charts, and I'm going to look for the pie chart, which is the one that we're doing. All right. So I'm going to click OK. And there we go. I have my pie chart ready. Now I'm going to show you the second way, which is basically not very different from the other one. So you have to select all your data, and I'm going to use a different method now. I'm on the right corner. I'm going to click on this quick analysis tool. All right. I'm going to click on charts, and I'm going to click on pie chart. So automatically my chart is done. Okay. So as you can see that the charts are exactly the same. It doesn't matter if you have your data like this or like this. You're gonna get to the same result. And now you can start formatting your chart. I'm gonna use this one just for the purpose of showing you the percentage of sales that each customer represents. In a different video, we're gonna be covering how to format your pie chart so that it looks more professional and beautiful. Alright, I hope that video was helpful to you. If it was, please remember to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting entrepreneurship in Central America and motivating me to make more videos. Thanks again, and see you next time.